I posted this video yesterday of this Valentine request page, and I got a lot of DMs, a whole lot of DMs. People asking me how I was able to come about it or how I was able to do it. So here's the trick. You see, you ask the question, sweetheart, will you be my vow? And yes will be static, and no will be running away. So once you click on yes, it's gonna say hooray, you just made my heart blah blah blah. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this. All right. Now you don't really need to know everything about programming, all right, but you just have to have little knowledge on web development. So first thing first is to get your domain and your hosting. All right, you need to get your domain and your hosting so that you can have access to your cPanel, because I didn't host it on a free server, I hosted it on a paid server. All right, so you go to your file manager, then open your file manager. Now, if you're just buying your domain and hosting for the first time, you just upload your files directly inside public_html. But I already have files, which means I have a website already here. So I'm just going to create a folder for the purpose of this tutorial, and I'm going to name that folder Valentine. All right, I'm going to name that subfolder Valentine. Valentine. Yeah, since it's the season of love. So I'm creating a folder quickly. And where's our folder? Here's our folder. You can see I just open our folder and it's empty. Now the next thing you want to go is head over to ChatGPT. Anybody can use, you can use any um coding platform of your choice. You can decide to build it from the scratch. You have an option of doing that, but I actually made it a lot easier for you guys. I just use ChatGPT to run the codes. Now here's the index.html. All right, now this is the first code where you're going to copy. You just copy the code there. You can see you copy the code, you come to your file, you come to your folder, you create file. Then let me name this file index.html, because this is the very first file. I'm going to name it index.html, and I will right click and click on edit, and click on edit again, and I'm going to paste my code here. All right, my first index code. Then I'm going to save it. Hope you can see, guys. Then I'll go back and check my ChatGPT again for the second code. The second code is the hooray page, and it has its own code. Look at it here. It has its own code. The hooray, the bunny with blowing kisses. Then I'll copy the code as well. Then I'll head over to my folder. Then I'll create a new file for hooray.html. Hooray.html. Alright. I want to create a file. Then I will right click on it, edit again. Then I'm going to paste the code here. Alright, then I'm going to save it. Can you see? So quick one, we're going to check my website to see what we just did, if it's correct. All right, so let me open it on a new tab. I'll type my website address slash the subfolder I created, which was Valentine. All right, let's see how that goes. All right, can you see? Will you be my Valentine? Let me show you a trick. You can make this actually more personal by adding the name of the person you want to ask. Okay, let's go back to the codes. All right, let's go back to the code, and let's go back to the index.html. Now this is the index.html. Let me say I want to name this the person I'm referring to. Let me say her name is Victory. I can say Victory, Victory, will you be my Valentine? Then you save that just to make it sound more personal. All right, then I'll go back and refresh. Let me see. Can you see that Victory will be my Valentine? Now she'll be trying to click no. The no will be running away. Can you see? Now here it says no seems a bit shy, until she click yes. Boom. You just made my heart. So I hope this tutorial was really helpful. Kindly subscribe, follow my channel, like and share to others. See you on the next episode. Thank you.